CAN Configurator is the main program that the installer has to deal with at the stage of creating conditions in connected installation. After downloading CAN Configurator, its default language is Polish. We can change language in Options tab. Next, we have to close the app and run it again. Our first step is connecting computer to CAN bus using configuration interface. Now, run CAN Configurator and wait until downloading information about devices is complete. There are 6 important elements in CAN Configurator. The list of all devices connected to CAN bus. Here we can see MAC address of the device and its type. We can also name device by clicking the right mouse button. Device monitor. It gives us information about device. Here we can, for example, manually change state of outputs or flags. Device configurator. It lets us to create connections between devices. Device parameters. Here we can set some parameters of the device. CAN network monitor. Here we can see all the information in CAN network. We can analyze data by its type. We can also find information about defined device using its MAC address. Search for devices button is intended to search devices in CAN network. At first, we need to select controlled device, for example light. Now let's click Device Configurator button. As you can see, the new window showed up. Here we have the list of devices. It's the same as the one in main window. Our next step is selecting controlling device. It can be, for example, touch panel or switch. In our example, we'll choose MServ3S containing input connected to switch. Let's click Add a condition from device button. In condition window, we need to mark input connected to our switch. If you're not sure which one is it, just click the switch and follow which input changes its state. We can decide if any or all marked inputs have to be active. In condition type and parameters, we can choose type of condition, for example, primary, single click, double click, short click or long holding. Let's confirm. Now we can see device's reaction window. Here we define reaction we need after clicking chosen switch. If we are not sure which light is connected to output, we can change slider position and watch which light turns on. As the right output is marked, we can define function. We can select operation as change state, rewrite the state, set stare effect, increment or decrement brightness, and much more. In our example, we select change state operation and confirm. As you can see, new condition appeared on the condition list. If we want to edit this created relation, we can click Condition or Function Edit button. We can also copy and paste condition, move up and down, or delete it. If you're satisfied with created conditions, click Upload to device. Now light changes state after clicking button. Let's repeat the right configuration order. Select controlled device. Go to Device Configurator. Select controlling device. Add condition from device. Mark controlling inputs or outputs, define condition and confirm. Mark controlled outputs, define reaction and confirm. Upload to device.